Have you ever noticed that how certain experienced agents, they are always calm, but that would freak out a new trainee? Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Dreamport Journey with Arpita. Today we are going to talk about series 4, episode 7, series 4 of What Happens in Agent's Mind, and episode 7 being How Experience Creates Calm. Now, for the longest period of time when I was starting at Dreamport, I always used to think that every lead, every customer interaction, everything is more important. And I used to be attached to everything. Like I used to always treat every customer that it is going to happen to booking. So I used to invest so much time and everything. And sometimes it happens that you give customer a fare on one day, and the customer disappears, and after 2 days he comes back to you and he's like, Arpita, let's go ahead with the booking. And then you see, oh God, that fare is no longer there because the fare has changed. That fare has changed, and now you are like, you go into that panic mode because you have the booking, you have the customer, but then the fare is not there. Now what to do? And then you start creating panic within yourself because you are afraid of telling the new fare to the customer, because that customer may not take that new fare. I think that is one of the things that experience teaches you, because experience teaches you that not everything is that important, but there is something always in everything, and that becomes more important. Because actually, if you see this, the minute you start worrying, and I think most of the new agents, we actually have this similar experiences. Not that because we are weak, or because everything is unfamiliar, but the thing is, the first time all of this happens, it feels huge, because you feel that you had an opportunity to make a business, but then you could not because of XYZ reasons, something which was not under your control. But I think experience changes that perspective, because eventually you start seeing these patterns. Eventually you will see that fare changes every now and then. The customer may ghost you, he will come after 2-3 days, and then you've seen complicated tickets and everything before. So what happens is, that now you do not have to react anything emotionally, but rather you have to deal everything professionally. And I think that is the real value of experience, because experience does not eliminate problems, but it eliminates panic, and that's the biggest thing that you have to learn, and that's your cue as well. Now if you actually look at it, now this is what a differently complete mindset that we are building. Series 1 actually taught us where the sale dies. Series 2 taught us how people think, like agent and customers interaction. Series 3 taught us about how customer gives an excuse to evade the booking, and now series 4 is teaching us something different. So you need to understand that what are the cues. Once you actually accumulate all of them together, you will see how experience over the period of time changes. Today when I'm standing here and making videos for you, that is because of the experience that I have gained over the years. So that's why we will always appear calm. That's why it's not that we are calm because we know everything. We are calm because we know this process. And I think once you learn this pattern, that becomes a shift for you. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll meet again in the next one.